have just the best video for you, and I mean these are the best and the strongest trading setups there are for you. Everything I'm about to show you is all for educational purposes. Nothing is financial advice here, but these setups were responsible for making us so much money in the Telegram group during the bear market when everyone was losing money. We were just smashing the charts down. Um, and so these work just even better during this bull run coming up. So I went through and already did all these horizontals for all these assets. And of course, I'm going to do 4 examples here just to maybe refresh your memory on how we got all this, and I want you guys just to see how we got all these. I did these 30 ones already. It does take time, but hey, once these foundation is laid down on the asset that you're charting, it's so easy to do the rest. Now, look, I want to tell you guys, as I told my group, this is a live stream we're in right now. Just want to make this apparent for YouTube. All of this, I haven't done any other TA on this except for assign these horizontals, and I wanted to do that so I can see in real time. I didn't cherry pick any of this stuff. I left us 4 examples here to do, and so I just want to show you what our tabs are here. So we have the yearly here. We have the 6-month, also known as the biannual. We have the quarterly. This is going to be our monthly, weekly, and daily if we need it. I don't like to really do the dailies anymore. I will. You'll notice that I did do some dailies on a couple assets just to find some more confluences. Like I said, once I'm done with this mapping these out here, guys, I'm gonna hop right into doing the rest of TA, and you guys are gonna be shocked at how well these just confluences line up. It just gives us the easiest level. I'm gonna go ahead and jam some music while I do this. So I hope you guys enjoy and enjoy the process. All right. This is my favorite freestyle guy. His name's Harry Mack. People just give him words, and he just makes the most incredible music off it. Hope you like him. Harry Mack. I'll pin his YouTube channel at the comment section of this.
Yeah, come on, check it out now. I said, yeah, come on, I said, check it out one time. Yeah. Hey yo, Hilton, I know you cherish this, your Native American heritage. Yeah, yo, the love, it be hard to compute. You always feel grounded, you connected to your roots. Yeah, hey yo, emotions start to storm up as you traveling through California. You like, damn, how can it be? Fully connected with my family through the ages, yeah, through the generations. Hey yo, your soul keeps on penetrating, yeah, pushing through boundaries. It's amazing what you found, my G. Yourself, you are proud to be. You're like, I don't give a fuck if they doubt in me. And I know that we bout to deliver. We reppin' Yana, Wind 2, and the Pit River. Let's go. While we on this path, we be staying so in tune with our past. Yeah, and we know where we going, cause we know where we been. So for sure we bout to win. Let's go. While we continue on this path. Hey yo, y'all know we feel the wrath. Yeah, and we know where we going, cause we know where we been. So for sure we bout to win. Hold up, hey yo, it's beautiful to see someone that feels that connection to their family tree. You know these songs just flow. You said I lost contact with biological long time ago, but you still got that family blood up in your veins. You still got that family inspo up in your brain. You still got that connection that's giving you direction. So spiritually you still feel that affection. Yo, that's how it's supposed to be. I break it down in my art. You got that family way deep in your heart. Hold up, wait, while these frees just spray, I'm talking about that connection in your DNA. But it's deeper than that. We surrender control, deeper than the science. Yo, this something felt in the soul. Yeah, something that gives you your identity. So we about to boost up your energy. It's like, while we all up on this path. Yeah, hey yo, the memories they last. Know where we going, cause we know where we've been. Yeah, so for sure we gon' win. Yeah, good memories they last. While we traveling on this path. Yeah, we know where we going, cause we know where we been. Y'all know the deal, man, for sure we gon' win. Let's go. Malicious, Pencil, and Micro, those are incredible. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have some fun. Hey, yeah, come on, hey, yeah, check it out, yeah. When it come to freestyles, all my rhymes are vicious. I keep it honest with you, so it's never fictitious. I'm clean, something like some sparkling dishes. And I lift you up, flow is never malicious. Yeah, I got the type of rhymes they wanna mention. I'm never ever malicious with my rhyming intentions. Nah, I'm here going wild in the place. My style is present just to put a smile on your face. And it looks like I'm winning, I might be succeeding. And into the cypher, yo, Mackie, gon' ease in. I'm making it known, my vibe, they can't erase this. I'm stacking up flows like you're stacking up bracelets. I see them on the wrist, I be seeing through the mist. Other rappers talking shit, and y'all know they got me pissed. I'm taking over the game, my freestyle's dominant. You said nice cam, nice beard, damn, so many compliments. Y'all are nice like I'm nice on the mic. I entice every time that I strike. I'ma hit harder cause I feel like I'm Michael Jordan. I'm coming right off at the top of the mental whenever I'm reporting. I'm here, y'all know I do it up the mental. Try to bite my style, it might crack your dental. I'm getting loose right over this instrumental. I never write it down, so I never need a pencil, yeah. Tell me what you gonna do. I used to use the Ticonderoga #2, but now I take a #2 on the industry. Shitting on the game while I'm spitting out flames. I get the shit popping instantly. Rolling in like infantry, they into me. Yeah, I'm about to open up the window, G, but it's the window of opportunity. Y'all are soon to see all of the growth. When I be rhyming, y'all know I'm doing the most, so play the post. Yeah, y'all know they better embrace the lyrics. No pencil, I don't need an eraser. Still I'm flipping styles upside down when I ride round. Feel the vibe now. I'm meditating till I'm in the deepest state of zen. No pencil, no marker, no crayon, no pen. No type of utensil, not even a charged stick. Cause I be the live improvised artist. Bar sick, the hardest. Y'all know they regard this as one of the greatest. All of these rappers trying to hate this. Y'all know I spit words with flair. You got bracelets, you got glasses, you got curly hair. I'm calling all three out just to make sure it's known. Neck going crazy when he enters the zone. Yeah, y'all know I'm blowing minds with the hype flow. By comparison, rappers are tiny, micro. My lyrics all hyper dope. Couldn't even see it with a microscope. Y'all know I'm in the hyper zone. I get busy when I'm on the microphone. Yeah, H-Mac changing all the policies. I zoom in on them like it's microbiology. Yeah, H-Mac, I'm here to enter a whole nother zone that people are certain to remember. And speaking.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you. This is the product of what happens when you don't remember to set alerts, or good alerts for that matter. We had this set up made in August of, yeah, I missed this. Yeah, pretty crazy. Anyways, so totally missed on this. Didn't hear, I mean, yeah, sometimes I'll go through coins and see what I missed out. That makes me sick. I don't even want to see that. Anyways, let's remove all that. Set these alerts, guys. You gotta set these alerts. You really do. We're just gonna finish out this last one to go on. Hope y'all saw some stuff there. Finish it out.
Can I get 3 of the most creative, challenging words you can think of?
Loyalty.
Loyalty? Hell yeah.
Cheating.
Cheating?
Love.
Love. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Listen. I said you lifted me up, not destroying me. Let me talk about loyalty, never cheating. Cause when push comes to shove, I know the two of us, we got that love. I said you lifted me up, not destroying me. Let me talk about loyalty, we never cheating. Cause when push comes to shove, I know that we got that love. Listen, you a queen with the golden crown. Till the end of time, I'ma hold you down. Yeah, I said I won't ever destroy you. I enjoy you, so you know I'm staying loyal. Yeah, sometimes life puts up to the test. When I'm by your side, I be feeling my best. Yeah, we walking hand in hand. I understand you, and you understand your man. So yo, we come together, form a bond tough as leather. I know the love survives even when it's under pressure. Yeah, the depth of the love can't be measured. I mean the bond we have can't be severed. I'm out here burning raps. You know I won't ever turn my back. You know I got you until the end of time. Real love is much more than just a friend of mine. Lift me up, not destroying me. Hey, let me talk about loyalty, never cheating. Cause when push comes to shove, I know that we got that love. I said you lift me up, never destroying me. Okay, let me talk about loyalty, never cheating, cause when push comes to shove, and yo, I know that we got that love, yeah. And I know there ain't no stopping this, no sloppiness. We hold each other down, monogamous. I know sometimes it's kinda scary to commit, but you know I ain't gonna bullshit. Yeah, you know I got your back, that's forever though. Let me break it down with the clever flow. Yeah, you know they could sponsor this vibe. You'll never catch me with the wandering eyes, never looking to the side. You know that I really got my blinders on. I hope you find this song to be the truth, cause that's all that I can speak in the booth. Yeah, when we together we getting loose, having fun, we be laughing. You fill me up with passion. Some days we fighting, but we not really clashing. Not for the long term. Sometimes I lose control of my head, but by the time we go to bed, we gon' be back on the same page. I use my music just to channel this rage. I use this music to channel all my emotions. L-O-V-E, on it we gon' close in. This is something special that they be witnessing. You my girl and we lasting through thick and thin. And y'all know that the love don't stop. Yeah, we about to take it to the top. One more again, I said you lift me up, never destroying me. Ay, let me talk about loyalty, never cheating, cause when push comes to shove, I know we all about that love. I said you lift me up, not destroying me. Okay.
All right, guys. So that's how they're done. Okay, and so basically, um, just to if you didn't catch all of that, let's just take a look at any one of these that we have. Like say, so let's just pick one to start with at random again, and we'll just go by last because that'll give us the most. So Wi-Fi will be first then, so we'll just go with Wi-Fi. And now look, the hard work is done. This is about to just get so simple. We're starting with Wi-Fi, and again, I haven't done a single bit of TA except for these lines. I'm about to show you how this just clicks. It's silly. All right, we're gonna start with our fibs first. From our, we're gonna just try to tackle. So this is a yearly, biennial, and quarterly. So what that means by here is I don't think we need all these time frames open now, not anymore. Let's go ahead and get rid of all these. We just need one time frame now that we got all of our levels. Okay, so I'm still gonna start in yearly here on this is Yearn. All right, so watch. Oops. So this is a yearly level. You can see that yearly horizontal. It's also a 6-month level, same horizontal, but tapped. So I mentioned that it is tapped, and a quarterly tap. But you can see this nice support here. So let's just tackle that first. We'll take a fib from low to high. Okay. All right, and already we're having a CC lineup right there, beautifully. Okay. And I do want to check this on off log mode. Log mode. Okay. So the fact that we have, I think we can get this 618 to line more. So I go down in time frame a little bit and see if there's a fib pull that's maybe like on maybe a better pull because it's not always the very bottom. FYI, you really want the impulsive. Okay, now here we are working with a little bit more impulsive right here. Take a look at what this looks like now with our levels. Ooh. It's so perfect you can't even see the 618 here. See, I'm telling you guys, like this just locks into place, all right? And we'll get this a little closer. And just to make sure that I'm accurate, I like to target the very high. Let's see, 96,000. Okay, perfect. Bring this back over right here. I'm going to type that in the coordinates. Come on, numlock. Boom. You can't be more perfect than that. This has been tested quite a few times and is held. But looking at this at a monthly perspective, this has been going sideways for a minute here. Now we're going to just align a volume profile here right quick. Let's see what we have. Okay, so right, the value area low globally for this. 1 second, let me just extend this over. Use that same one. Okay, it is right there. So now let me just zoom in on this next volume profile, see if we can get something aligned with our level just a little bit more, like directly over it. Okay, so for this range, actually, Its value area low has been there. Yeah, that's what we're gonna find here. So let's take a look at a previous. I'm intrigued to see what this looks like here. Nice. Okay, so oops, sorry. This is not the previous yet because it's we have that on extended mode. Just taking a look. All right, so how about this candle? Let's go down the time frame. Come on. Gotta love when it messes up on you here. Delete that and restart because TradingView is being retarded. Not syncing up with it. Starting out great, TradingView. You're doing great stuff for us already. Gotta love you. Okay, I'm assuming there might not be any volume here. Let's open up our indicators and look. Okay, so volume was not registered there yet on this exchange. Loving it on Coinbase. You're doing great, Coinbase. Thank you so much. All right, so back to the global we go. All right, globally, we do see this at the CC here. All right, so let's start one more time. We'll just assign this all the way across here. Turn this volume off so you can see that. Okay, so this is a global volume pool here. And make sure it's on extended. So as we can see, this has been tapped quite a few times here. Coming down here, we're at the bottom of this range on let me just take another look at an impulsive on here on the daily for a fib pull. Let's see what this looks like here just for a second. I'm kind of interested. I'm thinking, yeah, this is definitely the right fib pull here. Look at this 618 just acting as support this whole time. And if it does make it through that CC, unfortunately it has come through here a few times, but this just is a strong level right through here. Kind of want to target this area. Give me a little bit more influence here. Ah, very, very, very nice. Our value area low of this little bit of candles work here is nicely at our level. Let's take a look at this bit of volume right here. It's really just those two candles, unfortunately. Not so much. What about this little area here? That's really beautiful there. Okay. Yeah, same. So our yearly level right there. Yeah, a lot of indicators are adding to this. So now if we just kind of re-engage our global here, you can see that it's just really strong. I don't like including this so much because it just doesn't have the volume there. Because I'm gonna see what this is like. Because we got to remember our volume isn't right until right here. And this is really a trading view error. I will say that. I mean, I wonder how much it gives me. Either way, look at across this level. Very strong resistance. I mean support. Excuse me. And look, right off the bat, so I'm trying to move fast at this, so it's gonna take too long. This 618's been tested quite a bit, and so since October 20th, 2023, this has been tested. I like the 6.6 better, personally. Also, give us a better little position size risk to reward. Go ahead and move the stop losses. I don't know why it does this sometimes. Only in the log mode it will. All right, so stop loss, man, we can just consider this. You can even target just below this low, the very last low if you want, and still just have a great risk and reward. I don't see any reason why we couldn't take this back up in the bull run to at least that yearly and quarterly level. But assigning this volume profile one last time, just to take a look at globally. Man, I don't see why we couldn't come back up to at least this value area high globally. I mean, that's really what I would be targeting for a long. Put our stop loss. Man, look at that risk reward, 15, and we're targeting. Let's target below this wick about. I'd say even like 5% below. That'd be right there. Yeah, we don't really need to go that far. I mean, check that out. So look, I know this sounds crazy. This is a 30% stop loss, but in the grand scheme of things, you got to do your risk management. You got to take your position size divided by that stop loss percentage, multiply 100. That's the amount of contracts you get in with. Okay, 1 to 2 or 3% max. All right, let's move on. Solana. All right, I want to kind of move on fast for these. All right, I really want to. Okay, I want to just go and make this fast. All right, so Solana seems to don't have too much overhead on, you know. I mean, we have a monthly resistance right here, but I really want to tackle support to Solana come down. Let's take another global. All right. All right. So maybe not down that far. Look at that impulsive right there. I really think that's a beautiful level. Um, that is just a monstrous level in my opinion. Watch. Let us see. Let's tackle this area of volume here. Um, I'm looking. Yeah, I mean, just look at that. Let's just zoom in a little bit lower time frames to make sure we're on point. Mm, mm. That'd be the one, babe. Now look, that's at $11. Solana's far away from there. In my opinion, I know we're on Solana right now. You guys probably want to know a place to short this. I wouldn't try shorting this train right now. But I want to tell you that if something happens, Solana crashes. This, of course, this $11. You're probably like, it'll never get there. Okay, well, like I said, sometimes they're far away. But that CC aligns perfectly with this, and I think we can expect it. Let's take a look global profile wise, or could we expect it to take this? So if it does come back down again right here, and that this range stays the same, I think we can expect this. Let's see. Oh, come on. Get that out the way. And this is being conservative. We're a little bit below that. I mean, I hope we find some good ones here. So that'd be one setup. Another setup would be tackling this quarterly level here. I think if we could do that with that, that's even better. That impulsive. Okay. So let me just hide this position. Look at that 618. See, I'm telling you, these 618 will just align to that. I don't think that could be any more perfect. That's the most impulsive candle for that monthly and weekly, and I mean, exactly goes over our quarterly. All right. So, I don't want people to get confused. Let's just hide this really strong level that's below it, and show a reasonable this. Okay. And what did that global profile look like right here? Let's see. I don't know if it's there. We might need to attack this range again. Point of control. Point of control right there. Yes, sir. I need to get this range really dialed in there. It's better. Ooh, I went the wrong way. There we go. Right there. Yeah. So great level for that. And this kind of trade will look like this. Okay. You could I say during the bull run you can actually target all time highs, but I think this is better for this. Okay. I bet this is a little. We can get this better. I'm telling you. Either way, I think the 618 is going to bode you better. You can ladder it if you want, but so there's a low, and here's our another lower low, stop loss, just below that. I think you should get in at 618. That's my personal opinion. There'll be a little bit of fall through with that, and so long this global stays the same, we're looking at, yeah, we're looking at about a, and this is just a safeguard. So, yeah, you can put this at the CC if you want like this. It can always go through though. So I'm gonna go 2 lower lows just to be safe. We keep that at 7-1 risk reward there still. That's 7 times. Now, yeah, your stop loss is high. Like I said, if I gotta type that percentage up for you here, I can just show you. You take that 1 or 2 or 3% of your position of your portfolio. Take that percentage wise. You're gonna divide that by 36.48. That's your stop loss percentage here in this position. Then take that number, multiply by 100. That gives you the amount of contracts you enter with. If you want to use leverage with that, okay, the long. If it's 10x leverage, you're gonna divide that number by 10. Okay. Let's move on. XMR. And so we're just using trading. We haven't even used naked point controls or nothing for this. Let's take a look at some overhead resistance here. Take global, same thing, global pull here. Look at some of this. So this high, down to that low. What's that look like here? This is an interesting one. This might operate on regular mode. It appears it does. All right. Yeah, great level there. Let's see from this impulsive. I'm on the 3-month. Let's go to this just monthly. Let's go to the monthly. I want to make sure I'm aligning to a good candle here. This is a weak candle there. I really like that. You know. Let's take a look at the weekly candle. Yeah, I really think. Yeah, I think with these highs just being right there, I feel like this is probably the one right there. It does align. Let's see. So let's also take a global of this. Look, I'm pretty sure I'm on point with this. Yes, value area high. So look, in my notes section right here, look, it's a great thing to do. All right, just stuff to tell you. We have little notes. Okay, we're gonna type in XMR, or this chart operates on regular mode. Regular linear mode, not logarithmic. Okay, and I add that. Okay, so when we're doing our TA, we're now done with our TA. We've assessed this entire range from July 1st, 2020 till now, showing our value area high, strong resistance at this 224 level. Okay, I could dial this in even more, but I really do want to. I really want to move along. I'll be straight honest with you. I like the pull that we had before. I mean, it gets even more perfectly aligned with our CC there. But so we'll just keep this alignment here, and again, that's 6-6. So just to hide, and look, this level that it's at right here, coming down with this quarterly, not as nearly as strong as that, but I'm just gonna hide it right quick, okay? Just hide it, just to get it out of our way, and show our first setup here. This is a short. You can tackle this 618 if you like, or again, this is not financial advice. You do as you please. Truth be told, that horizontal does it for me better, or right in the middle of this, And again, risk management in place at all times. Take a look at what we have going to our left. We have a high there. So weekly, I'm looking at this at the daily now. What highs we have here. All right, so let's move this on over here. this. Getting this for reference. All right. And so that's covering at about 1% above. I say we go a little bit more. 243, nice number. Definitely could be targeting at least this point of control. So if we're targeting the point of control, that's a 5-to-1 risk reward here. That's 33% down. If you want to target this value low, it's 49. Let's be realistic. Should we rotate up here to this range? Yeah, we could definitely see ourselves coming at least to the point of control. I do believe so. Getting stop loss in place. That's a very easy one there. Okay, we're going next. What's this? Ave. And look, let me go back. Let me show you a long for this. Okay, I want to do that as well. All right, so we'll just all this stuff we have for position size here. Check this out. Here we go. Perfect. We're gonna throw this all in one thing. Make this a group. Short, major, something like that. Go ahead and hide that. Okay, boom. So let's tackle this yearly biennial level here. Now I'm gonna go to log mode just for a second to get a pull of this and see what a low to high fib pull looks like. Looking. Oddly, what's odd to me is it doesn't do the same on 886 is right there, just a little bit below. Interesting. I think we're forced to switch to log mode here on, and we just deemed it regular, so a little odd to me on there. Let's see, from there, low to high. For the quarterly chart right here. So I go down time frame to see if I'm on a good pull or not. Hold on. Come on. That impulsive right there. We're going to the weekly now. That seems to be the nice little, strong daily. It's right there with us. But look at this one right here. This one right there. Just hidden out the way. There she is. That's her. As perfect as it is right there. Okay? And this is an important part of it. It's going down that time frame like that to see it. I know I had this. It says give my explanation. Okay. Okay. I'm just seeing my notes. Sorry. Look. All right. I want to show this. All right. So this is a yearly level. Check this out. So yearly horizontal. It's a 6-month. See that horizontal as well. So held as support as well. Quarterly level as well. Look at that quarterly. Boom. Not even tested liquidity. I know I have this fib in the way. I'll just find which one this is. Cool. It's right there. I'll hide it. And so it's also a tapped monthly, unfortunately. So watch. It came through just for a second. This is almost a daily. Sorry. I'm on the daily here. It's almost a daily. Look at that one right there. Almost. So just to show you guys what actually happened here. This came through and crashed through this support. See, this was all at this one point. When it crashed through, it came back above. This is the last time it back tested. Flipped this resistance to support. Didn't take long, and look, back tested back above, and it's rolled ever since. So coming back to that will be really strong. So I just want to go through why that's a strong level. Put back on our fib there, aligning perfectly. And then let's one last time on the a global volume profile. Let's see. It could be right there. I don't know. All right, so not on the global. So aligning your ranges. Okay, so not this entire range then. So let's, what about from right here to here? Look at that. And so we have a, let's just at least get it to come when it's coming up here. You gotta remember, we're on the 3 month here. Those candles stand for a lot of data, so hitting it right here is much better. That's beautiful. And look, you might think I'm just moving stuff around. This is real because I'm getting this range perfect. Okay, so to get it just how I had it, let me explain this to you. Hold on, just had it where it was supposed to be. Of course, let's see. Well, I mean, hold on. We're gonna go back, show where this PLC just lined up at. Okay, from this candle here, I don't know what's different. All right, so okay, this is exactly right. So why I just pulled this one. I don't know. It's not now it's showing. I don't get trading views sometimes. Okay, but basically, why I adjusted this range here? As you see, we had this move up. Okay, so we've included this candle because this low is present here, and we're not going to include this. See the candle I'm on, this small one? That's outside the picture. So I'm including this, and I'm including this high over here is because this where it made its high up to. You know, the more data you get, the better. So this is even showing us better shit. Like this is including for a longer time period. You want to see how far you can really go with it. So up till like right here. So this is from 2017. Okay, 20 May 1st, 2017 till February 1st, 2020. That's 5 years, guys. The point of control, the most volume that's been transacted from this range to there, is directly at our level. That is the strongest support we have. Now, if you want to include, unfortunately, including these other candles, like we were to do this, we include those from here to there. There's a lot of volume that's been transacted through here, but for some reason, when we include this whole range, it just changes up, the volume profile. But from there to there, that is a very close by support coming up. And so just to show, where's our position size? That's easy right there. All day. Watch. I mean, right at that at the POC, where tons of volumes come in, right at our 618, right at our high time frame horizontals. These are just excellent setups, and we're targeting the value area high of this, and you're going to keep this just below the stop loss. Honestly, I feel like this is probably a strong level. Let me get this exactly on. I don't think you even need to go below this value area low right here. You're welcome to. I mean, we have an 11-1 risk reward there, 12, and I know it's a 30% stop loss. I like to be even safer though. I really like to safeguard our trades, and I want to tackle this low that's crazily out the way here, and just tackling that and getting a little bit below that just to safeguard our long. We still have an 8-1 risk reward. Go with that. Have a winning trade instead. Nothing would suck worse than getting in and it goes there and we swing failure pattern up and then you get stopped out of it. Just amazing 370% long setup. Hell, I think go even a little bit further below that. Yeah, position sizes gonna always come into play. You gotta remember, I said I take these trades with like 3% of the position. I really feel like a portfolio. I really feel like that strong. Okay, moving on. Ave. Yeah, we already did some TA on Aave. Let me go to Zcash. I want to talk about Zcash. Unfortunately, oh my poor baby Zcash here. It has got so much overhead resistance. I'm gonna be honest, a lot to go through, and man, this downside. I just wanted to get this one out the way first. It sucks to say the least, because I think we're gonna be needing to use Fibonacci expansion for this probably, or the best you can really do in this is we can take this, this low to high here, see what that looks like, and that's on the. I think this was on a 1 day wick, just a crazy wick, and it is on Polynex, but it's the oldest history. You should probably do a Z cash on another exchange now that I'm thinking of it, because it's just like zooming on this, just one candle, huh? Yeah, that is a wick. Yes, it is. My wicks are white like that. Um, let's just see something. What the hell's going on? My damn weird. This chart acting so weird, dude. It's because this one wick is effing everything up, dude. Yeah, I don't like that freaking. Look, we're gonna skip the Zcash. We probably should do it on different. This is the oldest historical, so I have them all on the oldest historical. We should probably do Zcash on a different exchange than this one. So for that instance, I'm gonna move on to Link. I didn't even pay attention to that in real time. Link's oldest on Coinbase. This will probably be really easy. So just like coming up to this, let's take a look at like just an impulsive pull. Just targeting the CC here. That's a 6-month chart. So I'm gonna move down a little bit. See if on the right, I want to get a nice candle pull. Yeah. Skip this quarterly level. It's get smashed through, in my opinion. And hang on for the bigger time frame now. So how far down is this? This is down. That's 60% down. Don't think alts won't move down back crazy again. It's nothing out the ordinary. Trust me. Um, Now I just like this. Oops, sorry. I like this pull because let's see. I just feel like I'm on the week. Let me go down the daily here because you got to move down in time frames right here to see these levels. See the best. You want these impulsive candles. A lot of times they'll be hidden out the way too. Let's take a look at this. Just want to see what this looks like. Probably not the right what we're looking for. No, not quite the one there. Zoom in on this. Mm. That's the most impulsive one right there. Really, it's the one I kind of have to go with. So it puts this yearly and biennial level right in front of us. Okay. Um, if you want to tackle this quarterly one right here, I think that's probably going to be a different setup. I don't know quite yet. I don't want to hold up too much time. Go to the monthly. I'm going to pull a fixed range here and just see. And there you go. Globally, yeah. I mean, it aligns right there at the 6.6. I kind of like that better right there. Okay. Damn, I think I do like this. Nah, better right here. All right, value area lows right there, and this will be beautiful entries. I am going to remove this quarterly. This is it just happened to be a quarterly, unfortunately. Sometimes you'll have those, but I can see the strength way more right there. Okay, so we have a 618 directly at our value area low, our global value area low. And if you just look at the market structure here as well, though, this just makes it perfectly for just a downtrend for it to make its next higher up, because really going past that would kind of really break the market structure. That'd be the area I would think for a bounce. And just to tackle this area volume one more time, so I'm being specific. Yeah, no, I like where it's at. Long. That's an easy ass long position targeting. I think bull market we're targeting all time highs for sure, but I think at least the value area high of this. All right, this is gonna be a monstrous risk reward for us. I do believe. Oh yeah, this is gonna be silly. Oh, dude, this is a 22 to 1. This is gonna be a 415% move up. And you're like, it'll, dude, it just did that. Don't think for a second we're not gonna make all times on. And if Bitcoin sneezes a few times down to 40, this is going right here. Trust me, all these alts are. You need to start thinking in the 2 to 1 ratio of the percentage of Bitcoin goes down to even 3 to 1 what altcoins will. Just letting you know. So very much, very possible, and has happened plenty of times. This is the setup for the long. I'm not going to tackle a short. We're going to go forth on the next one. Uh, all right, so XVS. Yeah, we have a lot more to do. We're gonna make this a two-part video. Um, so this will be part one though. We'll keep going with something where prices right here. Let's just take a look at the next long. It looks like we're coming down for a long. We'll tackle this coin and call this a. We'll probably call this. Let's see. Make sure we're on. All right, so I do like it on log mode. Yeah, we're gonna move this high up to here. So this is gonna be a 786 or an 886, probably 786. Of course, we gotta go down time frames to find that right candle. Seven. Hmm. And then here, yeah. Unfortunately, this is gonna be a. Yeah, that's gonna be right at the 80. This is just the very bottom of the range right here. And that's gonna be it. Tackling the top of that. Hmm. I don't. There was no horizontals here at this level. Doesn't mean it won't happen. On that 618, and we do like to only stay within that CC. But down here is just looking. That's really strong area of volume. I wonder if I let's see. I'm looking at a weekly. Well, let's see. Look at a monthly here. Let me take a look. 1 second. That point of control is a bit. Let's see. Let's zoom in on this for a second. We're gonna have to kind of come here and just take a look at a different range of this. It's really calling for that value area low there, isn't it? It's crazy. It's wanting it there so badly. Let's see. Interesting. Seems to be a ton of volume right there. Like I said, we're not always gonna find. It's not always gonna be the best. But oh, this is a biennial quarterly tap. This is not the strongest. I need to read my notes right there. Thank you. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not so certain about that. It is yearly and biennial, so we have. You can see it right here. No, the 6 month is Stephen Taft. So this is just a yearly level. Where I want to target a different place. Yeah, I wasn't aware of that. Should have read my notes. that in an instance there. I think this quarterly level is going to be better. That's untapped 3-month. Let's see what else, if it is anything. Yeah, I'm going to have to hide this level there. There's our quarterly. Let's see what that looks like with this. For the POC here. Sometimes if I don't find it, I'll just have to. Oh, that's pretty close to our. Not what I want. Bless you. Yeah, I thought I'd find more discernible setup than this. Honestly, this 618 is gonna be holding for this. Oh, you know what? Now that I'm looking at this, we'll probably forego this. Yeah, we actually have a better. This global volume to 618, right? This global CC. So how far back can I get this value area? So not there. Not there. Now that's gonna include probably just these set of candles. Yeah. So from this, can I go back any further? I doubt this will be the same. No. Okay. Yeah. So it's gonna be this little bit of range here. Okay. So I'm thinking right now, this is probably the volume pull for it. It's already, yeah. Because look, it tested the 618 when it came back down on this. Now it's at the 66. Good thing is the 786 is below. We don't have any horizontals with that. So if you wanted to, you really could look at this. Not financial advice. This is not a trade I would be taking personally. I would take this up to this biannual level, maybe, for a long. And you know what? I'm gonna change my mind on it. I just wouldn't take. That's not a trade I would take as far as along at that. Just I'm not finding the confluence I want. And this will be the last coin we do for video one. It's an early morning start, and I've spent a long time on all this, so this will be a two-part series. We'll definitely be finding much more, but just alignment of stuff. So this yearly level is right out there, 886. But nearest coming on up. Let's go ahead and tackle. Well, that was stupid, simple, easy. Okay, 886. I mean, it's so aligned with it, you can't even see the line right there. Okay, so it's stuck at the 66. Look for near to break that though. That's multiple months of checking that, and so if this could flip long with a break above. Not a whole lot of volume up at the top right here. So let me just target this. I'm on Mexi here, of course. Let's go to the weekly. No, yeah, now it wants to show it. Trading view is so weird. Weird. Oddly, it's showing it. Look at that. Okay, that's. Yeah, I don't know why. Here, I'm gonna get rid of the 786. I think near's gonna run. 618's already been tested. See, it's out there right now. Your best shot, and this is gonna be this yearly and biannual level. I guess you could probably target this monthly. Me personally, I'm going for the strongest. Nice 2 time frame level resistance is held. 886, it's a global 886 level for the very top of it. And it's also the value area high of this range from. Hey, I kind of want to keep going with it and see how far. There we go. Nope, we have to keep it where it was. Okay, so it's a global value high since 2021 to 2022. And we haven't revisited that that area has since. That's going to be a nice now. So we'll just be looking at. I'd probably see globally what it looked like, but for sure, I'm thinking at least the point of control of that previously. If you want to go over, yeah, what was this one last one? No, I'm thinking global is that. Yep, that's a. This is the just to distinguish these for you. I'll show you. Yeah, so this is a different fib pull from that one. We target a short down to this very top of this very high globally, and that way, if you want, you could even take your. Yeah, the risk reward isn't that great for tackling these highs here, but we could tackle those two higher highs. So you have this high there, if you see me aligned, and then you have that one. We can go over those two. That's two higher highs of. Actually, rewind personally. I would just go a little bit over this one, and if it makes it through, you're invalidated. That way we can get a big position size in. Yeah, we don't need to go 6% up. We can go less than that. Like stop loss about, I don't know, 9%. That's a 7-to-1 risk reward trade. I would take profit of this POC right here probably. But they just align, and this will be part one because this has been a long video already. And part two, I will finish today, and we'll continue down. I won't look at any of these altcoins. We'll keep this fresh. We just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. We got about 20 more to go or so. They'll go a lot faster because we had the introduction. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and this will be part one. Later.